Ali are so excited because tomorrow they will fast for the first time ever. It's Ramadan, the Islamic month of fasting.
Ramadan Mubarak!
When they hear the adhan, the call to prayer, they know it's time to stop eating and say the following dua.
وبصوم غد نويت من شهر رمضان. I intend to keep the fast for tomorrow in the month of Ramadan.
This is what we say before we break our fast, Fatima tells Lucy.
اللهم إني لك صمت وبك آمنت وعليك توكلت وعلى رزقك أفطرت. Oh God, I fasted for you and I believe in you and I put my trust in you and I break my fast with what you have provided.
Ali says proudly, after iftar, once we've broken our fast, we can also say this prayer.
ذهب الظمأ وبتلت العروق وثبت الأجر إن شاء الله. The thirst has gone and the veins are moist and the reward is assured if God wills.
The children enjoy their favorite meal together of lasagna, roast potatoes, and vegetables. It's followed by their favorite dessert, chocolate brownies and ice cream.
Brownies!
This night is so honored that the Quran has a chapter specially dedicated to it, stating that this night is better than 1,000 months. That's more than 83 years.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. إنا أنزلناه. In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most kind. We have sent it down on the night of Al-Qadr. And what will make you understand what the night of Al-Qadr is? The night of Al-Qadr is better than 1,000 months. In it, the angels and the Spirit come down by permission of
Mum lets Fatima and Ali stay awake a little longer so they can do some extra prayers and recite the special dua for seeking Laylatul Qadr.
Allahumma innaka afuun tuhibbul afwa fa'fu anni. Oh God, you are most forgiving. You love to forgive, so forgive me.
It's the last day of Ramadan. The new moon has been seen, which means it's Eid tomorrow. Hooray! Shout Fatima and Ali together.
Allahumma ahillahu alayna bil-amni wal-imani wal-salamati wal-islami wal-tawfiqi lima tuhibbu wa-tarda. Rabbuna wa rabbuka Allah. O God, let the crescent moon appear above us in prosperity, faith, safety, and Islam, and in agreement with all that you love and pleases you. Our Lord and your Lord is Allah.
On the journey to the mosque, the family all say the Eid Takbir together. Fatima and Ali love saying the Eid Takbir.
Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. La ilaha illallah. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. Walillahil hamd. Allahu Akbar kabira. Walhamdulillahi kabira. Wa subhanallahi bukratan wa asira. Allah is the greatest, Allah is the greatest, Allah is the greatest. There is no God but Allah. Allah is the greatest, Allah is the greatest. And praise is due to Him. Allah is the greatest of all, and abundant praise is due to Him. And glory be to Allah in the evening and in the morning. There is no God but Allah, the One.
After Eid prayer, families and friends greet each other joyfully, saying, Happy Eid or Eid Mubarak.
Eid Mubarak!